Hello, welcome back to Cesim simulation step-by-step guide for round one. For the Cesim version of Cesim 2024-2025 in the NBA simulation game free winning guide and tips, right? Series. You can check the other video for the top 10 winning tips overview of the tip for each round, and now this is a step-by-step video guide for round one. So in the previous video we have looked at how to check the unit sold of last round, how to check the financial statement to see the R&D, promotion, sale and profit, how to check the market report to see the number of units we are going to sell at different level of price, and very important to check the market growth rate. And now we check the demand for each region and calculate the sales forecast. I show you now. So the demand here for each region, we take the demand for each region here, so you can calculate the sales forecast based on the previous sold and the current demand. So we see the difference. You can calculate the demand increase and set the demand for each product here, right? We have 4 products, take 1, take 2, take 3 and take 4, and they have very different demand over the round, over the year. So you can see here round 1 and round 2, take 1 and take 2 have very high demand, but from round 3 take 4 is going up in USA market. And in here round 1 and round 2, you see take 1 and take 2 is have high demand, but from round 4 take 3 is going up, right? And take 3 and have higher demand than even take 2 after round 4, and take 4 is going up. And in the Europe market, that's in the Asian market, and in Europe market you see that take 1 is on the top and the second is take 2, but after round 4 take 4 is going up very fast. So we can focus on take 4 from production to take 4 from round 4. So you need to invest that in round 3. So you see that how to check the demand for each region, how to check the network coverage for forecast. If you have any question, you can send the email to csimhealth2020@gmail.com or get the free support for round 1 and round 2. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.